Hey y'all, so I'm gonna do a quick voiceover. I am changing my ignition coil because 1, 3, and 4 has been causing me issues, slow startup, stalling, misfiring. So here go the ignition coils from Amazon and a 10mm ratchet. You need to change that screw, pull that plug out. Yes, the plug is already pulled out because they left it that way when they changed my spark plugs. I don't know why. And they cracked my cover. So anyway, pulling out the rubber stopper, you might need a flathead screwdriver. This is underneath of the engine cover, and this is your ignition, your injectors. So these 4 screws need to be unscrewed. I am doing that now. Do I have experience doing this? No. Follow at your own risk. Unplug that, pull this out. It's really straightforward, and it makes me realize I could do this myself. So this is me putting the new ones in and plugging them back in. And I'm all doing this with one hand. Pushing it down, tighten the screws back in, replacing the cover, and checking the codes again, and they're clear. I did it.